In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Duolingo promo code. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Duolingo on your device and sign into your Duolingo account. And here, go ahead and click on the crystal icon, which you'll find at the top of your screen, which is actually beside the heart icon or the lives icon. And once you click on that, you get redirected to the shop. Now go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the shop and you'll be able to find the redeem a promo code section. So just go ahead and click on the redeem button to redeem a promo code on Duolingo. Now once you click on the redeem button, you'll get redirected into this area where you'll need to enter the promo code that you've got to redeem the rewards on Duolingo. Make sure to enter the correct promo code in this area and click on the apply button once you have entered that promo code to immediately redeem the rewards on the platform and use it immediately while using the app. And that's how you can simply redeem a promo code on Duolingo. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.